I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only we made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.